Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is non-phone in the healthcare field. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Vituity. They have 489 reviews on Glassdoor, coming in with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a medical billing specialist. This is remote nationwide for the United States. If you're interested in healthcare work from home jobs, please let me know down below in the comments what type of healthcare jobs you are looking for. Are you looking for billing and coding jobs? Are you looking for like medical documentation, medical record jobs? Do you mind customer service? Let me know down below. Also, if you're a registered nurse or anything like that, looking to get out of dealing with patients into the work from home field, also let me know that. I have come across some medical review jobs that are specifically for people who have a bachelor's in nursing. But for this billing job, you will be doing all things related to billing and getting claims out the door. You'll identify the correct financial class for the claim and enter that into the billing system. You'll post and extract correct validation errors in the system. You'll be identifying trends and communicating those up to your leadership, your team leads, your supervisors. You'll review any income and documentations and identify correct payer to accounts. You'll research patient eligibility in the payer websites to ensure correct insurance coverage for the payer is attached to the patient's account. You'll be processing insurance or payer denials related to eligibility, identifying those correct payer or payer requests. You'll process the electronic rejections that come in from the insurance companies, identify the root cause for the rejections, recommend and make appropriate updates to the account so it goes back out the door. You'll process any returned mail, write-offs to the accounts, and daily exception reports. They are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. However, they do want somebody who has 1 or more years experience in some kind of billing operations is required. However, prior experience working in specifically the healthcare industry is preferred but not required. You do have to kind of have knowledge of payer classifications, know how to read an explanation of benefits from the insurance company. You need to have great communication skills, the ability to analyze, interpret, and create various billing related reports, so some kind of analytical skills, great concept of math and math skills, and of course you have to be able to work with those Microsoft Office applications, which is Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, OneNote, all of those things. Now, they are paying $16.50 an hour for this role, and they're offering the standard benefit package that includes dental, vision, life insurance, health insurance, all of those types of things, 401k, paid time off, plus they do offer some wellness programs as well. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.